Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is mutton soup, which is also called as Pandhara Rassa in Marathi. This is nothing but a stock of mutton and coconut milk. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy, delicious mutton soup, we also call Pandhara Rassa in Marathi. This is about 2 pounds of mutton. I have washed and marinated with salt, turmeric and freshly grated ginger garlic paste, and I pressure cooked it in about 1.5 cups of water for 4 whistles and simmered it for about 15-20 minutes and separated this mutton stock. This is very healthy. Now move on to the next step. So let's bring this to boil, and you can add 1 cup of coconut milk. You can freshly grate the coconut and get the coconut milk ready, or I have a store-bought tin right here, so I use that always and it tastes amazing. If you like some crunch in the soup, you can also add some fried cashews. I don't have cashews right now, so let's bring it to boil. I have added about half tablespoon of crushed black peppers or black pepper powder, half tablespoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. This comes to boil, our Pandhara Rassa or mutton soup is ready. If you want, you can remove all these spices before you serve the soup. When we have mutton curry, we have to have this white soup or mutton soup. This is very healthy. When you have like a spicy hot mutton, you will need something to mellow it down in your stomach. So this is the soup, which is very healthy, as well as it tastes amazing. I cannot describe it in the words, but this is simply delicious. I hope you give it a try. Also, as I said earlier, we can add cashews for some flavoring, and I always add some, like just mash this cooked mutton piece and add it in the soup just for that extra flavor and something to bite on. So you can add a couple of cooked pieces of mutton. So as you can see, I have removed all the whole spices from the soup. You might see a couple of things, but that's okay. So our soup is totally ready now. You can garnish this soup with some chopped coriander, but I like it just like this. So enjoy the soup. And didn't you see how easy that was? This is the healthiest version of the mutton soup or Pandhara Rassa. You serve it hot and enjoy it while it's hot. Of course, thanks for watching my recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland, and see you next time. Bye.